Hi everyone! Welcome back sa channel namin. Kung bago ka dito, we are a Filipino-Mexican family of 4. Ako, isang Filipina, married to a Mexican husband, at syempre kasama ang dalawang princess naming daughters. Right now, we're living here in Canada kung saan sobrang dami naming memories na nabuo as a family. Sa last video, share namin kung bakit namin kinukonsider lumipat from Canada to Mexico. Pero ngayon, we want to open up another possibility. Yung chance na lumipat naman from Canada to the Philippines. Hindi pa final decision ito ha, pero gusto naming i-share sa inyo yung mga pros and cons na naiisip namin. At syempre, yung puso ng decision na ito bilang magulang na gusto lang ang best para sa mga anak. Alam mo, para sa akin bilang isang Pilipina, the Philippines will always be home. Kahit matagal na ako nakatira abroad, may part ng puso ko na laging bumubulong. Balik ka sa pinanggalingan mo. Ngayon na may 2 anak na kami, mas lalo kong iniisip, paano kung dun sila lumaki? Yung may laging kalaro, maririnig nila yung Tagalog, makakakain sila ng lutong bahay na Pinoy food, at surrounded sila ng mga kamag-anak ko. Para naman sa asawa ko, it's a chance to experience a culture na sobrang family-oriented at close sa isa't isa. Kaya lagi naming tinatanong, could the Philippines be the best place to raise our daughters? So, unahin natin yung mga positives. So, number 1 is yung family support system. Kasi dito sa Canada, kadalasan 4 lang kami. Pero sa Philippines, andun ng lolo, lola, titos, titas, cousins. Imagine how love our kids would feel. At syempre, malaking ginhawa rin sa amin yun as parents. Next naman natin is yung cultural roots. Yung daughters namin will grow up knowing Filipino traditions. Yung mga simbang gabi, fiestas, bayanihan spirit, priceless yun. Kasi diba, culture is part of our identity. And isa na rin yung lower cost of living. Kasi compared sa Canada, mas mababa ang cost of living in the Philippines. Yung food, housing, minsan pati education that could give us financial breathing space at mas maraming oras with the kids. Pros din is yung climate and lifestyle. So, goodbye na sa sobrang lamig ng winter at hello sa sunshine, beaches, fresh mangoes at island life. Mas simple ang lifestyle, mas malapit sa nature, at baka mas may chance to build a small business din. And then, isa na rin yung raising kids in community. Sa Philippines kasi, kids rarely grow up alone. May kapitbahay, barkada, cousins, laging may kalaro at kasama. Isang bagay na gusto naming maranasan ng mga anak namin. Pero syempre, hindi lahat perfect. May challenges din. At isa na nga dito yung healthcare and education. Kasi dito sa Canada, libre yung healthcare at yung quality ng education is maganda. Sa Philippines, good healthcare and private schools can be expensive. So, kailangan talaga ng solid plan when it comes to healthcare and education. Isa pa na naiisip namin is yung economic opportunities. Kasi Canada offers stable jobs and benefits. Sa Philippines, medyo mas unpredictable. Kailangan naming umasa sa online work or small businesses to support the family. And another thing is yung weather challenges. Yes, wala ng snow, pero andyan naman ang bagyo, baha, at sobrang init. So, panibagong adjustment yan, lalo na with small kids. Tapos, isa pang nakikita naming challenges is yung para sa akin, parang balikbahay. Pero para sa asawa kong Mexican, totally bagong environment. New language, new system. Kahit sabihing welcoming tayong mga Pinoys, I think and I'm sure hindi magiging madali para sa kanya. And sama pa natin yung long-term uncertainty. Kasi tanong namin palagi, is this permanent? Mas magiging masaya ba ang kids doon o baka balang araw gusto nilang bumalik sa Canada? Those are big what ifs if we still need to face. Alam mo, at the end of the day, this is not just about moving houses. It's about moving hearts. We love Canada. Sobrang grateful kami sa lahat ng binigay nito sa family namin. Pero as parents, lagi naming iniisip saan ba mas magiging masaya at rooted ang mga anak namin. Maybe it's the Philippines, maybe hindi. Pero ang sigurado, whatever decisions we make, it will always come from love and what's best for our family. At para sa lahat ng families abroad na nag-iisip din kung uuwi ba o hindi, alam namin yung bigat ng desisyon. Hindi siya madali. Pero tandaan, home is not just a place on the map. Home is where your family grows together. Kahit saan man yan. So friends, ayun ang kwento namin today. Salamat sa pagsama sa journey ng pamilya namin. Kung kayo rin ay nag-iisip bumalik sa Pinas, o baka nakauwi na kayo, share your story in the comments. Gusto naming marinig yan. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family abroad, and subscribe para updated kayo sa susunod naming chapters. Until next time, wherever life takes you, may your family always find warmth, joy, and home. See you in our next video. Bye!